Okay, we play with words, we eat up verbs, spit venomous synonyms, sickest of syllables. We associate ourselves with young kings, young supreme beings. Show me a shooter mind sharper than an intellectual's on such instrumentals. Aiming at y'all who been at it for long, taking you to words darker than dark, showing you the blackest of dark-minded thoughts that y'all can think of. This is at the very brink of awesome. What happens after this? Only time will tell. Welcome to the Liyunga Cypher. 2-0 to the 17. We win. DJ, spin a minute.
The kid. Risk not a prisoner. Okay, look, I'm not about to try this no more. You probably hear it for low, cause now the kid's so dope. I'm hard, young enough for some blood to feed Koro Puyalo. Guns you then go up, goodbye. I'm harder than most of these rappers usually, cause most of these rappers usually get dumb. Most of them dupies, they look feminine, tryna be cool, trendy and hard, but still my bar wreck like a Michelle Obama. 5 years in the game and I'm getting veteran treatment, and I'm famous for better than making it happen quickest. I'm nice, I'm Sabat singing you far, say it a minute, and that happens when you just denied fame to the illest, cause Swaziland's top 5, I'm there, my party went king. I shouldn't say much, but damn, my confidence speaks. Apart from doing music, I'm alive, that's what I'm doing inside. Refuse a few deals and I'm out here chucking QCs. But now I think I need to be coding till I'm sick and it's known if it's hard. No, I'm all over this. The mommy thinks I should keep going on with this. I'm quick with the flow, bring the mouth to get it over with. I'm losing the access package, you using a Texas leverage. You proving you stupid, you losing it, for your access average too cool. I ain't accepted, you shoot, I intercepted, good cool, cause you a fool and you just don't get it. Bluetooth and I might just share with the mover, but I've been faking new school. I'm coming late just to prove I know that these lessons I move. You're in talk collective maneuver without rehearsing. I'm goof, Kulumu, Yasus, I so good and I'm reversing. They all said I'm living like I ain't did a thing. I pro change, I even put you on MP3s. Buga before some Ghani, Labanya claiming the media. Guswakule Lambabane will never make us respect you as fun.
Yeah, tell them I mean, no one is better than me. They see I'm better than mean. That's how you roll in the beat. I guess the feeling the heat. I'm just feeling the beat. My mind full of words, full of line. I can exercise, you know. 59, they don't feel a line. Go and exercise. Them brackets says I should be a player, but them lines says I should be a rapper. So I do them for. This what I mean it for. I hope I never fall. My mom is like, he's mine. I'm proud. Go son, go shine. Drop lines, kill time. Things mine, speak loud. They will hear what you're saying, son. Just the other day, I was talking to my ex, things are not the same. She said she want me back. I ain't going back, I ain't going there. Senya kanya njenge mbane mang figure but to suffer. You never thought I'd do a cipher. This thing to me since the 9 man. Get fana. Check on the next hit, man. It's called Osaka. When I step in, no one shows up. I'm a total risk, cause every time I step in, I blow up. They see I'm too kind to be a rapper, too smart to be a learner. I guess I changed like the weather, man.
Prevail. Let's get it. Okay, I'm going in every. Gotta feel the pressure. I kill them every day. That's my pleasure. You're gonna hear my and press replay. Chilling with my dogs. It's a new day. I speak what I like I don't care. I'm the beast. Check out my flows, then I'm ready for the war. And I open every door and I'm with them real. Hey, I don't with you cause you lame. Hey, I go hard on my lines and I'm motivated. I mean action, check I'm on the top list. I ain't tryna fake, I'm still entertaining. But you're saying you wasting your damn time. You better know this is my damn time. I stay ready for the next round. I'm strong enough and ready for whatever. I'm on the way up and focusing on big things. But clap, clap, boom to this 100.
Yo. Yeah, finish with it, I'm painting figures, I'm painting pictures. Is the star of the kingdom hanging from the ceiling. On top, I'm the underpaid rap mechanic. Drop bars till drop tops and fake stars fade like a cut low. You pick a style to win pipes to sing loud than a cutthroat. Have you joking on the mic and on a pistol with your fingers frozen? These claiming kings, have you even thought about that? These claiming trail, have you even thought about that? You deliver quality. Your persona, someone to look up to when they're feeling low, like they got the funk out. You ain't that. I'm King Kong, you the monkey they test down from Doc Dop. Man, listen, yo, from rock bottom, the climb all amusing when you think about it. Collecting fans and haters, money and girls, yeah, I'm the magnet. Haters with a capital H, huh? Hefe in the capital like I'm seized with it. Suicidal thoughts across your mind and shivers. I inspired, I'm chilled with it, yo. I saw a vision with the mission accomplished, huh? I saw a section of the view and I upon it. I saw a section of the promised land. I sipped a portion of your cup, uncle looking for me. Talking about him as a contraband. With the numbers I'm pushing, in my mind I'm just winning. Out the library I'm killing, off the chains when I'm beasting. Underrated I listen, all your favorites I kill them. Hold these too close for comfort, but I'm just minding my business. Stay up late, flip the script, punching numbers, man, I get it. What it takes to make it, huh?
And Lord forgive me, I should've used my talents much sooner. For I'm passing in your presence, presently I'm the future. Before this life slips through the holes in your palms, let me do a verse, Lord, that's gonna read like Psalms. Sweet Jesus, before I'm in the heavens between us, I hope I guide these celestial beings. Women from Venus, they say men are from Mars. Will they count me amongst these stars? Like Orion, cause these hooks and bars that I'm reciting, they got it feeling like a titan. Zeus on with lightning, man, Poseidon with a triton. Cause I saw that fork in the road and went writing. Kept my music pure, conscious, inspiring. I like all these other rappers talking about matters that don't really matter when the world is a disaster and the music is a cancer. We still slaves for the masters and these captors is the captors. Trapping now, use these clubs packed to the rafters. Glorifying gangsters, man, just look at how they gagged us with these colors and bandanas. Crips and bloods, red and blue, blacks and thugs, they tagged us too. The cops got guns, trying to make us disappear like these government funds. It's how the government runs. Us young black activists talking God and politics never make a hit list if it's on a chart. But I'ma take it as an honor, cause if I'm not an activist, then why bother? If they get me, they'll just make me a martyr. Share this food for thought from heaven like it's mine. Something like Pac and Molly, Biggie, Gandhi, Jesus, Marcus, Garvey. Everything godly, I feel that I embody, but still might walk into a cyber catch a body. Cause you're just so a poltergeist, a mean rapper on the mic. They wishing I just go straight. I let the Holy Ghost right, but living in the afterlife. Cause hip hop is dead. And can't you see that hip hop is black with a dread? This is second coming, man. You hearing what I said? I hope you taking minutes, man. I'm way over here. I'm way over here.
Wait, now let me show you how it's really done. Give me a mic and a beat, you know it's number one. They call me Styles and I'm the realest. Broke a coming rapper with $1 million dream, coming straight from the hood. Now I'm about to this game up. The struggle is real, but you don't know how it feels. To be honest with you, I don't really like my country. Quite a few on my level, all these people like just setbacks. I'm a king by nature. You gon' tell on the feature. If you're trying to get the picture, you should get it on Insta. Yeah, back in 97 was a bouncy baby boy. My mother so a doctor, never thought that I could rap. Yeah, but all to her surprise, I'm the realest in the game. Yeah, my game, I mean it, boom, shaka, they ain't say ish. I got this music on my mind. This is all that really matters now. I'm trying to get the paper, all these hating out. Dollar flow so long, your panda dito labandwa. Ningum kabat sila yiti but so dang it beef and put it up. Best forever, pay like flavor, for some rap and flow you all. No stats, I'm so I'm fresh with death on silver loaf from Kumis jobs and I'm your panda, nothing for my balance side. True life story, chasing glory, nothing that I do for fun. Thank you for this talent, I'ma promise you to use it. But the sky is the limit, my right heaven is my home, that's where I dedicate this song. Haters do what they do best, I'm telling all the rest. I'm the killer of these beats, life sentence in the game, just for dropping heavy bars at that main fancy cars, chasing my Lambo. I'm out.
I got a tailor, we've been working on my pockets to get them resized. I doubt this is big enough to load my target on the mic. I go the fucking hardest. Let's talk now, but the talk sense like Jake. Boy, I'm only trying to keep in touch. This rap kiss me up. With the mic on and the lecture notes, windows minimized, I'm hitting up. It's feeling nice to be a part of the game, so look me up. I'm on fire, I don't even know what lit me up. Walking to the campus, bumping on the basics. Well updated, loaded all my aces. Trust me, I know how the pace is now. Show me anything that's tighter down my laces. Count my blessings, all the rest is preaching. That's hard to practice. Okay, from the rest, making my way to the new block. Somebody tell me how I ended up at Oaks Farm. Mommy gave my socks up. Chance, my bread is buttered on both sides, so no strife. Flex, we took the game on high stakes, going hard. Footprints on white sand, do my trend. Tell me why the should I wait turns? This high end, invite friends. Haters multiplying like it's binary fission, but none of this is aligned with my visions. A vision bigger still than Hassan to kill it, Hassan the pieces with give a about limits, I'm way above. I guess that if they show me around, it feels like home, so my presence in this is enough. The breaks I'm born, so I'm presently awake and alive. I bring it on, I got bars that move, revised, improved. Now I can't kill body bags, rigor mortis. If I right click this, I can have bigger options. I'ma cut quick deals. Money first, see the motive. I can pop off. I goes local like Mason Morris. Check the motion. I lubricated all the moving parts. Now promoters still using us, chase paper, I can't be losing sight. Had to toughen up every day, gets too inclined. Blessed with a sense of a look ahead, I've seen big. We resuscitate in the game, make sure it relieves, and we leave a legacy. Visions of 7 seas, we fill in every vacancy. It's just begun here in SD. The mind is the greatest weapon we possess. Safety of words are bullets, we can miss or hit the head. Take a minute and reflect. Take a leap and be the best that you can be. In your hands, but how you see it, it depends. It's boy bands.